If the dam collapses, it would wash away a stretch of about 25 kilometers between Mullaperiyar and Idukki dams, affecting the lives of millions of people. If this causes damage to Idukki dam, it would further destroy human settlements of 3.5 to 5 millions of people. The Mullaperiyar Dam is located on the Periyar River in Kerala, India. It was constructed by the British in 1895. It is 53.6 meters high and 365.7 meters long, and it supplies electricity and water for irrigation to Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The Mullaperiyar Dam is a rubble-faced masonry gravity dam composed of concrete made from limestone and surkhi, burnt brick powder. Gravity dams rely on their weight to support the reservoir while maintaining its stability. The Mullaperiyar Dam was built by John Pennycuick as part of an irrigation project to grow cotton for textile mills. The work was completed in 1895 with the help of engineers from Britain's Public Works Department. The Mullaperiyar Dam is one of India's most contentious dams, with Tamil Nadu and Kerala states at odds over its future for decades. Tamil Nadu wants to raise the dam's water level, while Kerala opposes it because of safety and environmental concerns. Mullaperiyar Dam has become a major issue of concern for many people living nearby because of its threats to their livelihoods and safety. The threats are mainly due to its age, lack of maintenance, and faulty design. The average lifespan of Mullaperiyar Dam is often estimated to be 50 years. But now it's completed almost 126 years. There have been a number of damages found in the Mullaperiyar Dam in Kerala. These damages have been found in the form of cracks and holes on the dam's structure. But every time it was repaired. A study was conducted to find out whether any damages exist in the dam which can affect its safety, and it found that there are some cracks. A report by United Nations University stated that Mullaperiyar Dam, situated in a seismically active area, faces the risk of failure. If the dam collapses, it would wash away a stretch of about 25 kilometers between Mullaperiyar and Idukki dams, affecting the lives of millions of people. If this causes damage to Idukki Dam, it would further destroy human settlements of 3.5 to 5 millions of people, said the report. The Kerala government wants to replace the current century-old dam with a new one, citing concerns about its safety and environmental impacts. This decision has been criticized by those who believe that the dam still has decades of life left in it. The Mullaperiyar Dam has been at the center of a dispute between Kerala and Tamil Nadu for many years. The two parties have debated if the dam should be decommissioned or not. To be or not to be? That is the question being debated in Kerala with regards to the validity of the Mullaperiyar Dam. The dam workers are worried that if it is not updated, then it will be extremely difficult for them to ensure that the dam can withstand natural calamities like floods. The problem of the dam's safety has been contested by the state of Kerala for many years now, with Kerala demanding that it be decommissioned. Tamil Nadu government has put forward several arguments against decommissioning the Mullaperiyar Dam, including that this will lead to an increase in power tariffs and to a shortage of water for irrigation. If Mullaperiyar is decommissioned, then all water supply will have to go through Cheruthuni Dam, which would result in lower levels reaching Idamlai, Nilgiris and Coimbatore districts, among others. The state of Kerala disputes these arguments, calling them baseless and false, alleging that what Tamil Nadu fears is not only the loss of water, but also loss of revenue, so they are inherently biased against decommissioning. The Kerala state government has been in discussion with Tamil Nadu for a long time about building a new dam. The idea behind this project is to ensure the safety of people in Kerala and that there will be enough fresh water for agricultural production, drinking purposes, and also to meet the requirements of both Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The Kerala state government has been arguing in the Supreme Court that the Mullaperiyar Dam cannot withstand a major calamity and hence needs to be replaced by a new one. The Kerala state government wants to build a new dam with modern safety standards to replace the old one. Hope the decommission project will be implemented to save the lives of millions. Here we support all the citizens who are fighting for the implementation of the decommissioning project of Mullaperiyar Dam. Thanks for watching.